Good morning, friends. I'm going to conduct the experiment or design and set up the crystal oscillator and find out the frequency of oscillation. Here I am using the circuit crystal oscillator. The crystal is taken as a 2 megahertz frequency. That is, it can generate, theoretically I have taken as a 2 megahertz frequency. I am practically also getting the same frequency, 2 megahertz. I'm going to comparing a theoretical frequency and practical frequency matched. This crystal oscillator works with piezoelectric principle. That means, and the piezoelectric means the means of under the influence of mechanical pressure and force it works. When you apply the force between the plates, it creates AC voltage generating. The oscillator works with DC source to AC. It can generating. It has got a positive feedback. The oscillator has got positive feedback only. This circuit, the transistor is using BC107 and 2 megahertz frequency. This crystal generating the 180 degree phase shift, and this transistor is generating the phase shift of 180 degree. Both are 180 plus 180 will getting 360 degree, one complete cycle as shown in waveform. This is an ideal waveform. For one complete cycle I have to generate 360 degree phase shift. So the crystal is generating 180 degree phase shift and transistor is generating 180 degree phase shift. Both will be adding 360 degree. This is for one complete cycle. So F is equal to 1 by T I have taken here, and T is measured from the waveform, and F is equal to 1 by T, that is 1 by 0.5 microseconds. We will be getting 2 megahertz frequency of oscillation getting from the CRO. According to the circuit diagram, I have rigged up this circuit. This is transistor BC107 I have taken, and this is crystal oscillator 2 megahertz, and transistor BC107, it has got 3 terminal device. Okay, as per the circuit diagram I have rigged up all the things. Okay, and R1 and R2 and RE, all these values are designed as per the circuit diagram. I have taken VCC. This is biasing voltage, 10 volts I am keeping. This biasing voltage is applied to the collector and base of the transistor. So this is the transistor. This I am keeping 10 to 11 volts constant. I am not going to vary this. Once you keep it constant, I am not going to vary this. I am only varying the DRB. By varying the DRB, that is the decade resistance box, I am going to set the value of R. Okay. By varying this, I am going to generating the AC signal as shown in the CRO. I am generating 2 megahertz. This already designed frequency is 2 megahertz. Practically also I am getting 2 megahertz. Okay, this is the frequency 2 megahertz. I have taken one complete cycle, that is 2 multiplied with 250 nanoseconds. So F is equal to 1 by T. If you substitute, you will be getting 2.0032 megahertz frequency. What we are designed 2 megahertz, theoretically and practically matched.